you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again.
Hey guys, welcome to Buenos Aires. Hey, when you're in Buenos Aires, Argentina, what's the best things that you can do? Well, drink wine, eat food, and sightsee. Those are the three best things that we can do. So what are we gonna do today?
All three. So we are doing a walking tour today, a walking food tour actually. Obviously includes wine of La Boca region.
Awesome. La Boca region is actually a initial Italian region, or at least that's where most of the Italians have gone. So you almost can call it maybe Little Italy. Let's find out if it actually is. All right, guys, so we have entered our first stop of the food tour. I'd like to just introduce our guide, George. Hi, George. This is George. He's organized the food tour for us.
First of all, little toast.
Absolutely.
Salud.
Cheers.
Cheers.
To have a great time.
For a very good time here in our country.
Absolutely.
Awesome. All right. Not sure if that's oil, guys. If it's oil, you know I love my oil. All right, let's give this a shot. Well, that's fantastic. You know, I'm not a big fan of vinegar. So it's like, I thought this was going to be heavy vinegar in there. No, this is awesome. The eggplant comes through. This is really nice. I would definitely have a snack on this all day long.
Fried spinach ball. First off, anything fried is delicious. Fried mozzarella with a nice little sauce on top. Smells wonderful. A little bit of mozzarella cheese. Everything's fresh, delicious.
Well, guys, as you can see, we've put away most of the entree everywhere. It's really quite delicious. It's really nice. Great first stop. Loving this part already. And the fact that we can enjoy these and you guys can enjoy them practically anywhere, just look for them on the menu, guys. They're tasting. It's really good. Spinach balls and the eggplant marinated and basically in vinegar brine. It's fantastic. From here, we're going to go doing a little tour walking to the next restaurant. So there's a nice little touristic area. We'll be over there. We'll show you some of the sights, hopefully. And then after that, we'll have our main, I think. All right, guys. If that's not picture perfect, I don't know what is. Check it out.
Treat you like you're heaven. Thought that I knew better. Keep falling for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion.
All right, guys. So this is so cute. This lady basically, she saves dogs from the road or and different stuff like that. She basically takes care of them. And she makes this clothes and everything, sells them off for people that want them, so you can dress your dog up really chic and everything. And you know, a civil little donation helps her going. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna help her out, and hopefully all dogs everywhere can enjoy some pretty cool clothes and be taken care of. Oh, Jose, you want a little Cocker Spaniel?
Oh. Okay, we can't be happier.
There you go, guys.
The Marky one behind me.
It's a pretty cool photo op, guys.
I'll take you to a place we can see it all. Step off the edge, I can break your fall.
So guys, you might be wondering, what is with all the funky colors, right? Are these buildings and everything? Well, it's actually overstock paint. It started like 100 years ago, and basically that's exactly what just happened. Instead of wasting the paint when they had overstock paint, they would just simply paint a wall. And at one point, it just caught on, and it's been doing that way since then. And you know what? It's really colorful because, like, hey, you got a little overstock paint? Put a little blue on your house. Ah, you got a little extra yellow? Put a little yellow. It's so cool.
And anywhere is home.
So obviously we've entered more or less the artist corner, guys. And as you can see, it don't disappoint. There's some amazing pieces to see everywhere. It makes the place really special. That's why it's filled with tourists.
Anywhere is homebound. We are kings of the world.
All right, guys. So we have got to our second stop. Now we're getting down into the meat, guys. We had our little vegetarian entrees earlier. That was for you guys. A little, lining of the stomach, if you will. But now you saw the meats when we were walking in. The asado, they're grilling their ass off. And we're gonna eat our ass off.
The smells here are just mouth-watering. Where's my napkin?
You'll never be alone. Let the highway be your home. 'Cause I'll go with you.
All right, guys. This is what we came for. Sausage, fried provolone cheese, and we have some empanadas here.
Also fried.
Yummy.
They are also fried.
Oh, this looks so juicy. I wish you guys could smell it.
So guys, Jose tried this, the sausage. I'm gonna give the cheese a chuck. This is pretty freaky, guys, because they pretty much take a puck, if you will, a cake, provolone cheese, and they season it up, oil that sucker up, put it right on the grill. It's crazy. It's like, and they get this beautiful crust because it's so hot and airy. So this is just gonna taste like cheese, but really well flavored. It almost tastes like it has a bread on it. That's just wonderful. I could eat this all day with wine, guys. This is what they mean by a wine and cheese. Not that other stuff. This is what they're talking about when they say do a wine and cheese. Excuse me, I gotta eat some more. All right, guys. The meat has arrived. The main course. Grilled, what they call almost an Americano steak. It's grilled steak, guys.
Beef Americano, we call it.
Beef Americano. Got a little side vegetables on here also. Oh, that cut. I like butter, guys. Very nice. Well seasoned, not too much salt, just right. But you get that nice charcoal taste, so it's like wonderful for that grilled taste. You know what? They know how to do it, of course. They're known for this. Asado, all the way. Gotta enjoy when you come to Argentina. Do not disappoint yourself by not doing it.
All right, guys, we finished meal number 2, so I think we have desserts left, which can't wait for that. However, I am full. This was really delicious. The sausage was delicious. The cheese was delicious. The empanada was Come to Argentina, you have to have our empanadas. Absolutely the best.
You know what, guys? We've never done a food tour before. This is our actual first one. If you've seen our videos, you know that this to be true. Now, you know what? I never did them before because I thought, I can find food. I can always find food. I don't need someone to show me where food is. But guess what? Because of this tour, we are trying some stuff I don't think we would have ever actually tried or ordered on a menu. So it is opening up a lot of great experiences. So you know what? It might really be something that we might start adding on to our task list in every city. I don't know. But guess what? George has got 3 different tours, 3 different districts. We're doing all 3 with him. So this is not the end. This is not even the end of this one. So don't tune out yet. We still have dessert and another location to go and maybe a little bit more touring to do. But then we have 2 other food tour districts to do in the coming weeks. We're going to get to try a lot of awesome food, guys. I'm loving this.
Absolutely. I love wonky shoes. This is so me. I just can't travel with them.
Be who you want, 'cause I know that I need to be happy too. And then things turn to dust when I've loved just.
All right, guys. So what better conclusion to our day than espresso and an alfacor? So this is dulce de leche in between 2 cookies. Can't go wrong.
Think of the s'mores, but don't you let you instead. Let's see the inside of that. Oh, yeah. There we go.
Mate.
Pretty cute snack.
Can't go wrong with this, man. I love my sweets. It's good.
Is it very sweet or?
It's good.
Yeah, is it very sweet or how is it? For sweetness level?
Really sweet.
Oh, cool. Good stuff. All right, guys, you know I'm a coffee guy. So for me, the biggest treat, it's going to be this espresso. It's just always my favorite. And they got a nice coffee here, a nice bean. Not too tart, just the right little, tartness that goes with it. Cheers.
As my lies can't disguise who I am when I am with you.
All right, guys. Just before we leave, we got to take a quick shot of La Boca port, all right? Because it's a port, and it wouldn't be right if you didn't see it. Now, it doesn't look so great anymore because, as our guy just told us, Jorge said, you know what? They've got the honors of having the most polluted river in the world. I hope that's not true, but it does mean it's polluted.
Make me lose my game when you call my name. I go crazy, 'cause I can't.
Guys, this concludes our day. This day has been absolutely phenomenal. So we got to explore La Boca region, which was absolutely beautiful and breathtaking
Really
in
cool.
some places. Got to experience some really cool stuff.
Yeah.
And some really wonderful food.
Yeah, I'm kind of stuffed.
Yes.
I'm kind of stuffed. I had a great day. I'm really happy for it. You know what? I'm really coming around on these food tour concepts. I think they're pretty cool. You know what? I'm going to reserve my judgment, though, for the next 2. 2 days from now, we're going to do another one. It won't be posted just 2 days from now. But look forward to it, guys. We're going to hit a different district and hit some different food. And hopefully it'll be just as fantastic as today was. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What should they do if they enjoyed it, honey?
If you liked what you saw, you know what to do. Click the little buttons at the bottom. Like, subscribe, comment.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook.
That's right. Ciao for now, guys.
Bye.